Here's 5 easy ways I'm tracking my reselling business so that I can get a higher profit margin and a higher ASP. I'll also show you how I track my business expenses and receipts all on one spreadsheet so that you're not stressing out around tax time like I used to do before I finally found a system that works and it's simple to use. First, as soon as I come back from sourcing, I take my receipts, I enter it into the spreadsheet. I'm entering in the date, the purchase location, I count up the number of items that I purchased, and I track how much I spent. Next, I'm going to take the items that need to be processed. I'm going to give each item an item number and a tag, and I'm going to input this information into the inventory tab. Now what I'm entering is the item SKU, the date, the location that it's being stored, the brand, the item description, material, the category, the subcategory, what color it is, how many items is it, how much I pay for the item, and where I purchased the item. And at the end, I'm going to mark it as unlisted or active. The third thing I do is track all my sales. I'm going to say this black lace blouse soap. I'm going to take the item SKU that's tagged on the blouse and type it into the sales tracker. Once I enter it into the sales tracker, the item description for this blouse will automatically pop up. I don't have to go back to the inventory tab and copy and paste it to the sales tracker. It's already done for me. What I will have to enter is the date it's sold, the quantity, the sold price, the platform that it's sold on, any sales strategy that I used to make the sale, any platform fees, and if I had any shipping costs. The fourth thing I do is track all my business expenses. I have my bank account set up so that every time my business pays for something, I receive an alert on my phone. Then at the end of the night or at the end of the week, I take those transactions and I enter it into the expense tracker. I enter in the date, the category such as office supplies, just a regular business expense, or like marketing fees, a brief description of what the transaction was, and how much I spent. This expense tracker is going to give me a total of each individual category. Last but not least, the fifth thing I do is go to my monthly overview tab and I'm looking to see how I performed that month. I'm checking to make sure my profit margins are where they should be, and I'm looking over the graphs to see any way I can improve on my business. This spreadsheet does all that and more. It's so easy for me to use, and it gives me a system that my business can run on.